Hey, Deft here. I wanted to show you something a little bit different today. As you can tell from the title, I've made a video game, and that's what you've got on the screen here. I do a lot of programming in Python just on a day-to-day basis, and I've always kind of been interested in seeing how hard it would be to make a video game. And yeah, it turns out it's not all that hard. I've spent the better part of my day today um, trying to program this thing, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out for my very first video game. So you can see I've essentially made Pong, and um, yeah, I have got up in the background all the code. I'm not going to go through all of it, but I will have a link in the description to the code if you want to download it. You have to have Python 2.7 installed, as well as Pygame, Pygame. That's what I use to develop it. And yeah, it's pretty basic Pong. I've got a couple of features which you can see by just watching. One, the, the paddle that you get to use yourself is on the left there, and the computer's paddle is on the right. And the computer is not entirely stupid, so it tracks the ball, and the better you're doing, so the more times you've scored, the faster that the computer paddle is, so the more capable it is of actually following the ball. And you can also tell from this round right now that the more times the ball goes back and forth, the faster it gets, so kind of increasing the challenge level in a different way. Yeah, and it keeps track of your score, which, these are all pretty dumb, especially if you've never written your own program before. But for someone who's been programming for a while and just never really gotten into it, gotten into the game development thing. I'm quite excited, quite proud of this. Um, yeah, what else? You can tell the com- the computer's pedals. It gets kind of jittery, like kind of shaky, and that's just, I think, the way I've programmed part of it, rather than it being like a speed issue with Pygame. So far, it seems to be Pygame seems to run quite quick, or quick enough at least. There's only 5 objects being rendered, 5-ish objects being rendered on the screen at any one time. Anyway, 5 dynamic objects, I guess I should say. So there's the scores, the ball, and the 2 paddles. Yeah. So if you're into programming, and you like programming and you like video games, then check out Pygame. Um, if you already do like C++ or some other language, then probably don't check out Pygame, because you're gonna get better performance and probably have an easier time if you already know a different language that supports these kind of visual user interface and animation type software. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching, and yeah, maybe this won't be the last. Maybe this is the first of my my gaming programming career. So anyway, thanks for watching.